In this video, we'll walk you through the process of adding product categories to your Shopify store. So, let's dive in and get those categories set up. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Products tab on the left-hand side of the screen. In the Products section, click on Add Product. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to fill in the product details. Here's how to do it. Enter the name of your product name. Make it descriptive and easy to understand for your customers. Add a brief description for your product. This will help customers understand what type of products are included. Upload an image that represents your product category. It will serve as the visual representation of the category. Now Shopify will automatically suggest your category according to your product that you can accept or reject. Click on Product Category box and here, you can manually add products categories. That's it. You've successfully learned how to add product categories to your Shopify store.